Okay, so my PowerPoint will be on constructing truth tables for the following operations: and, or, not, NAND, NOR, and XOR. I'll start off with the first operation, which is the AND operation. We can see the diagram on the left, and then we can see the table on the right. So for an AND operation, in order for the output to be true, both inputs must be true. So as we can see here, input A and B for the first three columns are not both true, therefore giving an output of 0. However, in the last column, both inputs are true, therefore giving an output of 1. Moving on to OR. For this condition, either input must be true or both inputs. So as we can see in the first row, both inputs are not true, therefore giving an output of 0. However, in the next three rows, either input is true or both inputs are true, and therefore giving an output of 1. A NOT operator. The condition for this is that the output is the opposite of what the input value is. So if the input value is 0, then the output would be 1, and vice versa. A NAND operator. Also worth mentioning, in each diagram of the NOT or NAND or NOR or anything with the N in front, the diagram would always have a circle after the original diagram shape. So for a NAND operator is simply the opposite of what an AND operator does. So previously I mentioned that an AND operator, for the condition to be true, that both inputs must be equal to 1. A NAND operator is simply the opposite. So the first three rows are true. However, the last row is false since both values are true. Moving on to the NOR operator, as you can see here, again, it's in the diagram is simply the OR operator with the circle at the front. A NOR operator, likewise to a NAND operator, is simply the opposite of what an OR operator does. So an OR operator is where either inputs or both inputs must be true. However, a NOR operator will be the opposite. So the first row would be true since neither neither input is true. Whereas the next three rows, either input is true or both inputs are true, therefore giving an output of 0. Moving on to the final operator, which is the XOR operator. The XOR operator is a condition where either input must be true and both inputs cannot be true. So in the first row, since both inputs cannot be the same. So the first row, both inputs are the same, therefore the output will be false. The next two rows, either input is true, therefore giving a true value. And for the last one, both inputs are true, therefore giving an output of 0. Here we can see a diagram of a XOR operator taking place. Now, from the exam style questions. So 10A, complete the truth table for the NOR gate. So we can see we are given a NOR and we're given the inputs, and then we have to write the outputs. So a NOR gate is simply the opposite of what an OR gate does. So the first input, the first set of values 0 and 0 will give 1, and then the rest would just be 0. Part B, write a logic statement that corresponds with the following logic circuit. We are given 3 different types of logic diagrams, the AND, NOT, OR, and we have to write a logic statement. So for this one, you would say X equals, and then you'd have a bracket saying A and B, close bracket, and another bracket, open brackets, C or not B, and then close brackets. So we can see in the middle, this plays as the connector between these 3 inputs. And that is the answer.